is God the Father in Christ Jesus, as the Spirit flowing into us. How enjoyable, this person wonderful, these are lives so rich and bountiful. We experience regeneration when we open to this living one. We were born again, another life came in. Now it floods us till we're full of it. He within us is the living Spirit.